How to see private account followers on Instagram. So what we can firstly do is we can see our Instagram if it is updated or not, and we have to use latest version to run this thing smoothly. And then we can go in our Instagram and we can search for any person whose account is public. So after searching their account, and we can see that their following list is available, and we can see their following list. And now we have to search for a private account. After searching for a private account, we can see that we are not able to see their following list even after uh, clicking on it. Then what we can only do is we can follow them, and after only their request is accepted, we are able to see their following list. It is very impossible to see it when their account is private.